What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we're going to talk about the hot air balloon fiesta in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we're going to do it right now. So this footage was actually taken in 2019. And now we're in the pandemic. I think they postponed this festival, but hopefully this fiesta will start up again soon. But I just want to show you what it looks like in case you wanted to go visit it. I thought it was a lot of fun. It's just very relaxing, and I think everyone would enjoy this fiesta. And it's in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and here it is. There's some more of the balloons taking off. Some are already up there. All right, so here's a little more of the balloons. These are all on the ground still. They haven't taken off. I guess there's a mass ascension when they come up. But right now, they're not. And these guys over here, you can see in these trucks, they're setting up theirs. These are all the baskets that are in the trucks that you can see. So they're getting theirs ready to go. All right, so what I would love to hear is if you're gonna go visit this fiesta once it's available again, or if you've already been there, or if there's any other place that you would recommend going to go out and just have a fun, healthy time. Let us know in the comments below. Just make sure that you are respectful in the comments and don't trash anybody. Just be, this is a very positive YouTube channel. I just want to make sure we keep it that way. So make sure that you are very respectful in the comments below, and I would appreciate that. Also, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows to push this video out to others, and that way they can benefit from it as well. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell notification, because that way you'll be notified every time I put out a healthy living video. And I put them out every Thursday and every Sunday. And I also put out some shorts once in a while. So you want to be notified every time I put them out. It's all about healthy living. So make sure that you subscribe and you will get those notifications. And if you know anybody who can use healthy living videos like this one, make sure you share the video and the channel with them so they can join in on all the fun. And for more tips on how to live a happier, healthier life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment, and you can click on any of those and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I'll see you all soon, everyone.